Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this one, today I'm going to be showing you how you can squeeze more torque out of your standard Lego vacuum engine. It is a really simple upgrade, and I really think that you should try it because it has really been beneficial, and it's really simple, it's really easy, and it doesn't require a ton of parts. If any, it just lessens the number of parts that are actually in the actual engine. What this concept is allowing more vacuum power to be sucked into the combustion chamber, I guess you could say. So, right in here. And what is it, you may ask? And that is these holes right here. Now, what these do is it allows more suction power from the actual carbs you get into the cylinder. So as you can see, I don't know if you can tell, let me take this piece, but on the valve, these pieces are actually used for the valve too. So when it goes up, as you can see, these holes open up to the carb, allowing more suction to be pulled through, and you don't lose any stability with your engine because of the fact that these are still the 1x1s, and they still support the valve and they keep it from moving all over the place. Now the carb, if you have a standard carb that is 2 studs wide for the hole that goes into the engine, then that's what you probably have for a stock engine. But this one is 4 studs wide, and it actually allows the full power of the vacuum to go through here and into the holes. Now, the reason why I haven't put any of those hole pieces here is because even though that they're very small and they connect very well, they still can restrict a little bit of air. But it is optional, and the good thing about this is if you can actually restrict the amount of air by picking these out and turning them. So it's very simple. You can actually tune it with this to adjust the amount of power, vacuum power that goes in. So yeah, I will give a demonstration comparing this setup right here and a stock setup where I'm going to turn the pieces sideways so that the holes are not facing into the engine. I'm going to show you how they actually make this engine have more torque. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, so the way this test is actually going to work is I'm going to have this red dial on the output shaft right here, and that's going to represent how fast the engine is spinning. You can also look over at the piston, which is right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the vacuum full power. I'm going to put it on max throttle, and I'm going to hold the crankshaft and apply torque. So this will be the stock version with the holes turned sideways so that they don't let any extra vacuum in. And then I'm going to do a separate one with the holes facing towards the cylinder so that there's more vacuum getting inside. And you'll notice how there will be more torque. So yeah, let's turn on the vacuum and compare. As you can see, it does not have a lot of torque. You'll also notice a substantial RPM increase when I switch the holes around. It also will have a snappier throttle. So I'm holding it at a decent amount of force. So as you can see, it does not have a ton of torque. So now I'm going to actually switch them around so that the holes are facing in, like this. Okay, so now the holes are actually facing into the cylinder, so that more suction is going to be applied to the cylinder, and it's going to have a lot more torque. So as you can see, it has a lot snappier of a throttle. Okay, here we go. As you can see, I'm applying a lot more force to the crankshaft, and it's holding up pretty well. It has a higher RPM than the actual other engine in the other setup here. Actually made my hand pretty hot it also can rev a lot higher. So yeah. Anyway, guys, that's gonna do it for today. Like I said, it is a very, very simple upgrade. All you really have to do is make your carb wider, and also include these 1x1 pieces with holes on your actual valve, so as you can see. So that's gonna do it. I hope you enjoyed this little tip video that I provided for you today. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. See you later.